Hello, and welcome to Hugh Daddario's Climate Change Project. In this project, I will be talking about the climate of Vatican City and Rome. Vatican City and Rome are both located in Europe. Rome is a city in Italy, while Vatican City is a city-state completely bordered by Italy. Vatican City is the smallest internationally recognized independent state in the world by both area, 44 hectares, and population, about 845. Vatican City has the smallest birth rate in the entire world. Both Vatican City and Rome have a very large tourism industry, as they have many attractions and historical monuments. Rome is located near the Alps and Mediterranean Sea, making climate change a very big issue there. The climate of Rome looks like this chart here. The highs being around 30 degrees Celsius and lows around 4 degrees Celsius. The precipitation is few. This was hotter than it was before. Some evidence of climate change can be located in the book Climate, Present, Past, and Future, Volume 1, Fundamentals in Climate Now. This is written by H. Lamb. In this book, he states, also because of city growth, the temperatures observed in Rome in the 1950s seem likely to be at least 0 to 5 degrees Celsius above what they would be without the city effect. This increases the precipitation averaged over the year over urban centers are commonly in the range 5 to 10% as compared with the surrounding countryside. This shows that over the years there has been a change in climate. This heat map shows the duration of warm spells in the summer and frequency of frost days in the winter in the period 1976 to 2006 in Europe. If you look at Italy, it has one of the longest warm spells over that period of time and one of the least amount of frost days in the winter. This shows that the climate there is being changed dramatically by climate change. In this area, there are many environmental effects. For instance, for every degree Celsius increase in temperature in the Alps, there is expected to be several weeks less of snowfall. As well, small glaciers will disappear, while larger glaciers will suffer a volume reduction between 30% and 70% by the year 2050. The melted glaciers will increase lake sizes. Also, the vegetation in the Alps is moving closer to the top as to retreat from the heat. Lastly, all wildlife on the Alps would have to retreat with the vegetation. If this continues, there will be more than just environmental effects. This crisis can be averted, however. This is only possible if we make personal, national, and global changes towards this issue. Some personal changes we can change include using less energy, recycling, and being mindful about how often we drive. Something Canada can do as a nation towards this issue is use less non-renewable energy sources and more renewable energy sources, which will help stop pollution. Lastly, global changes are being made by the World Wildlife Foundation, so any help or funding of their Mediterranean area project will help the climate change of Vatican City and Rome. Thank you for listening. This is the list of all the resources that I used to make this video. Goodbye.